How to manage text scaling on Google Chrome mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage text scaling on Google Chrome mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Google Chrome and now click this 3 points here on the top corner, and then you will find here settings. Click on it and then go down and you will find here accessibility. Click on it, and now all you need to do here, just you will find here text scaling and manage it to anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.